Commandment number 6. This is the one. Oof. Thou shalt not steal. Thou shalt not steal. Thou shalt not steal. Thou shalt not steal. You know the bit at the front of the bus where they leave for your shopping and stuff? I don't even leave my shopping there after this incident. I was about 12 or something, so yeah, a while ago. And mom sent me to go to Lidl to go and buy like tomatoes, sardine, you know, salts, common things like that, garden eggs. So I went there, and then somehow miraculously I could find, remember I was 12, so I could find 50p in my pocket, and 50p, and like Lidl sells these amazing shortbread. Like, yo, it's like this Scottish made shortbread is amazing. It was only 45p at that time as well. So this amazing shortbread, honestly, like you bite into it, just like it's just amazing. So I bought all the tomatoes and stuff, and then I realized I had my 50p in my pocket, so I bought the shortbread. And you have to understand, like I said, I was 12. 50p was a lot of money, because I remember in primary school, 50p you get yourself
crisps, Space Raiders, or like onion rings, a bottle of juice, probably Capri Suns, a little thingies, a Freddo, which was 10p. Oh my god, let's go for a second. Freddos
used to be 10p. And then they moved up to 15p. We're like, okay, cool, recession. Now Freddos are like 45p, 65p. I was even joking with my friend the other day saying we need to send like a letter to the Prime Minister, because it's like validation of human rights. How can it be 10p back in the day and now it's like 65p on the price range of like Snickers and stuff? No. So you could, for 50p in school, you could get a packet of crisps, Space Raiders or onion rings, a bottle of juice, a Freddo, and a prickled onion. A prickled onion. So we could get all of that with 50p. So you have to understand the dynamics of me putting all that into one shortbread, you know, biscuit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I got on the bus, I put it at the front, and then I was even sitting downstairs as well. So I was sitting downstairs, but I guess I didn't pay much attention to it. And throughout the whole bus journey, like 30 minutes, I'm thinking, oh, I'm gonna eat this shortbread, I'm gonna make my cup of tea or like hot chocolate, and I'm gonna dunk it. Cause you know when you dunk the biscuit into the tea, to that like saturation point where it's about to fall into the tea, and then you go, and then you just abuse it. Yeah, that's what I was thinking in my head. Like, that's what I want to do to this.
I want to abuse these shortbread biscuits. I'll abuse them.
So I was having that in my head. So I go home straight away, went to the cupboard, got myself some Milo, put the milk. Hey, it was a celebration day, and I'm going through the little bag at this point. Oh, tomatoes, sardine. Where's the shortbread? The one I invested a whole 45p into. It wasn't nowhere to be found. Someone stole it. I don't know who you are. I don't know where you're from, joking. I hope you enjoyed it though. You know, it was my money. But commandment number 7. Thou shalt not sit on me. Don't sit on me. Sit beside me. Cool, bruv. Cool, eh? But don't sit on me. Look, the chair is like this. You have one seat here, one seat here, one seat here. There's even a mark in the middle of the chair to like make sure you're not confused that this is my side of the seat, this is your side of the seat. Okay? So there's 2 techniques if you want to sit beside me. Well, if you want to sit beside anyone. You either sit at the end of the chair and then do we shuffle in like a little snake, or you just sit down, vroom. You don't need to sort of lean on me or like sort of bump into me. There's no need for that. Sit at the end, shuffle in, or just sit down straight away. Some people feel like I'm an armchair or something. Oh, sorry, hen. And then they sit on me. There's no need to do that. Just sit down or sit at the end if you can't like trust yourself to not bump into me, and then shuffle in. Sit at the end, shuffle in, or just sit down straight out. Don't bump into me and stuff. Commandment number 8. This is for the mothers on the bus. There's 2 types of mothers on the bus. There's ones that sit down and go, okay, baby, me and you are on this bus for a short period of time. You be quiet, I'll be quiet. Life is good. Then there's the second type of mothers that want the whole bus to know that
my baby loves me, my baby loves you, my baby loves everyone. So she's down there, oh, peekaboo, ah. Mommy love you, Maranga. Oh.
And then as she's in the middle of this whole excitement, she'll look at us and like, are you guys seeing all of this? All this love? And then she'll go back,
oh, mommy loves you, Maranga. Oh, mommy loves you, Maranga. Oh, mommy.
I don't know where that name came from. I don't know who's called Miranga. But why? We know you love your child. We're happy for you. Love your child. We love your, you know, it's cool. But all this extra, oh, blah, 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 blah. And then it's not even like you're doing it for your child. You're even looking at us. Because, you know, the way the buses is, the pram, the way the mother sits, it's facing the bus, and then the pram is facing her. So we can see what you're doing. And then she looks at us a bit.
Mommy loves you, Miranga. Mommy loves you, Miranga. Oh. Oh. Mommy loves you, Miranga.
Commandment number 9. Thou shalt say yes. This is the elderly people, the pregnant ladies. Listen, it's not like I'm not tired, but just out of respect that you're an elder and I've been raised to respect my elders, I'm gonna get up for you to sit down. But I'm like, oh, you wanna sit down?
Oh no, it's late, hen, so late. I'm only getting up in a few stops.
You only get up in a few stops, right? That's why I got up before you did. What's that? Just take the seat. It's taking me enough time to even get up and like, oh, take the seat. And then you're like, oh no, it's alright.
Why? Just take the seat, man. Take it, man. Come on, man. Take it. Take the seat. Take it. Take the seat. Take the seat. Take the seat. It's annoying. You're older than me. I'm just trying to show some respect. And you're like, it's alright, hen. I'm only getting up in a few stops.
Right. Commandment number 10. I actually don't have one, guys. I just thought it would be a cool title, you know, the 10 Commandments. But we can actually go into our Bibles and read the commandments. I think it's in Exodus. Exodus chapter 20. Open your
Bibles. I actually remember when I was in Ghana one time. I was at a church. And I was sitting beside the pastor of the church, like sitting right beside me. And then someone at the front was talking, like they said open to, was it Philippians or Ephesians? I think it was Philippians. And I'm like, oh no, where's Philippians? And the pastor was sitting right beside me, and I'm like, oh my days, it's going to look really bad if I don't know where Philippians is. So I was sort of like eyeing his Bible to see what side of the Bible that he would go to. And then he was going towards the New Testament. So I was kind of following the New Testament. Like, commandment number 10. I actually don't have a 10th one, actually. Because I wanted interaction. So if you guys can think of another annoying thing that people do and make it into a commandment, then definitely write it down below in the comments and I'll say it in my next video. So yeah, guys, this was my 10 commandments. Please, I'm going to be in this bus game for quite a while, so let's make it good for all of us. Okay?